So if I look a little weird, don't mind me. I have a full face of foundation on, but I have no concealer or anything else because I'm going to be reviewing and trying for you the new Benefit Ace That Face palette. I'm so excited and I hope you are too. I did review, like, I don't know when this came out, maybe a year now, this palette from Benefit, and you guys love it as much as I do. And this one is the Get the Pretty Started, which brings a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer. But this one here, Benefit Ace That Face, which I got in Ulta, brings 2 concealers. It brings the Hoola bronzer and it brings the WhatsApp highlighter. So the first time I tried the WhatsApp highlighter was in this palette and I've been obsessed ever since. So isn't the packaging cute? It's like a little pink notebook. Oh my god, it's so adorable. And this retails for $29, but it says is a $67 value. Open it up. Oh my god, I just die for packaging and this is too cute. And I showed you guys this that I got in my Ulta haul, so I will leave the Ulta haul at the end of this video so you can see all the other things that I have picked up. This is what it looks like when you open it. Really cute. I just knew I had to get this review for you guys. So this is what it looks like compared to this palette here. This one is so slim, it's great for traveling. If you compare it to this one here, this one is much bigger, as you can see, and it's very different as well. If you look at it like this, is much wider, it's much longer. This has 4 products, this has 3 products. Open this little notebook up. It brings a beautiful mirror and it says Benefit, and it looks like your loose leaf inside. And we get here 2 concealers. This is number 1 and number 2. You get the Hoola bronzer, not the Hoola Light, the regular Hoola, and you get the WhatsApp highlighter, which is like a cream to powder highlighter. I think that's how they describe it. I have to be careful with these lashes because I just got them done. Never got lash extensions before, but I did, and I actually filmed the process, and it's up on my channel if you guys want to see how the process went, the application. Let me swatch it before I start applying so you see how everything looks like. So this is the first concealer, and let me just put it, I guess, here so you can see. Pretty similar to my skin tones. I have this one, which is a little bit darker. You see that? So it's quite a difference there. I have the Hoola bronzer, which I love, and a lot of people love this bronzer. Not really swatching the best, but it is the best. This is the WhatsApp highlighter. I love it, and I can't believe I have another one now. I was thinking of buying it again, but now I have it in this palette, so amazing. So this is the highlighter. This is nothing like how it goes on the face, this highlighter. Trust me, it looks like you're glowing from within. So I never tried a cream highlighter until that, and obsessed. It's gonna be the first concealer, number 1, and I just want to see how full coverage it is, if it's full coverage, because that's the look that I go for. So I have foundation, but I didn't put anything under my eyes and on my lids, just so we can see how it applies. So I'm just taking my finger and I'm gonna blend that in. Wow, that was pretty good. I've never ever used this concealer before. That blended out really nicely, and there you see the difference. I don't know about this shade number 2. I think it would be too dark. Yeah, I wouldn't put that like under my eyes. Just apply number 1 again on this eye. Doesn't feel drying whatsoever. And I have fine lines, so I don't like anything too drying under the eye because it's just gonna emphasize my fine lines and not look pretty. But I can't have something too rich and moisturizing because I am prone to milia and I will get those little balls under my eyes. So now I'm just gonna be very careful and put it like here. Ooh. This is the reason that I didn't want to get lashes, because I'm always doing so much makeup, like videos, and I have to apply, take off, and this is just not easy. But you see the difference? This is really full coverage. Just just gonna blend it with the sponge down here. And as you see, it covered my dark circles really, really good. I don't know, like this shade, what I would be able to use it for. Maybe I could like cream contour, I guess, and then put this on top. I don't know, but I usually don't do that. So now before we move on to the bronzer, I am going to set this foundation. And I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics by Pores powder. This is what I always use. Is an e.l.f. one that I love as well. I feel like this foundation makes me look so much paler. I think I'll have to buy a different color, but yeah. Just go and do these brows because I feel a little uncomfortable. I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the Hoola bronzer. So yeah, I love this bronzer. It's beautiful, it's matte, it's like the perfect color. And since this palette does not have a blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use the blush from this Benefit palette since we're doing Benefit today. This palette, you have the color California, and I'm just gonna apply that. Such a pretty color. It's just bringing back some light to this pale skin. Don't forget the news. People say, no, you cannot put a cream on top of powder. But guess what? I do it all the time and it looks very pretty. If you don't want to, then don't powder your face if you're going to use this because this is a cream. But guess what? It looks amazing anyway on top of powder. That's my opinion. That's how I use it. I take that with my finger. And it's so beautiful, and trust me, you will glow from within. This has no like glitter or shimmer. And I usually don't set this. Look how beautiful it is. I do put in my Cupid's bow as well. I love it because it is true. Some like creams you cannot put it like on top of a powder. It just looks bad. It does not look good. But this one, to me, I love it. I love it. I love it. And it really looks flawless. It's blending into the skin so beautifully with all the products. No problem whatsoever. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I have all my makeup on except like my eyes. Look at that. So you see? Look at that. So it's like creasing a little. Thank God I closed my eyes so we can see that. So set that. I don't think I set my eyes. Was that the problem? Oh yeah, because I have lashes and I'm being careful. So definitely set that if you're gonna use the concealer so it doesn't crease. Like I said, I already knew that I love these two, but the only one I'm thinking is this one, the Boing concealer in number 2. I mean, you could use this as many other ways, I guess. You have a deeper skin tone, this will work better, but I don't think I could use that as concealer, definitely. But if you want to, use it as a like cream bronzer to contour. And in the back it tells you exactly what it brings. It's a matte powder bronzer, you have a soft focus highlighter for the face, you have industrial strength concealer. We'll list the product down below if you want to purchase it. I'm reviewing a lot of products that I got from that Ulta haul, so make sure to watch that if you want. It's right here. Don't forget to subscribe if you love these kind of videos. I do a lot of product reviews, trying them on for you, testing it out. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell, and that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!